Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2014 Ford F-150. This F-150 is featured in the FX4 trim and it is a black paint finish. Under the hood we have our 5-liter V8 engine paired to our automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have 5-passenger seating finished in jet black leather. Heated and cooled seats in the front of the vehicle as well as GPS navigation. We also have a powered sunroof. Outside of the vehicle, we have our black alloy wheels, our black assist steps, a rolling tonneau cover, as well as a spray-on bed liner. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, above our door handle, we have our power mirror controls with our power fold, our chrome finish door handle, power locks, power windows, as well as our rear window lock, some storage, and our Sony speaker in the bottom of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of our vent controls, lighting controls, and that is our light bar controls. Power adjustable pedals on the back of the steering wheel. Side of the driver's seat, we have our power settings with our driver's seat memory. Seat itself is finished in our black leather. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, you can see our display cluster. Can adjust everything in our information system from our gauge mode to trip computers, fuel economy, apps, settings, as well as our information. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, these are the controls for that information system. Then we have our cruise setting with our cancel resume on off as well as our set. Right-hand side, we have all of our volume controls, the controls for our radio, voice recognition, as well as our hands-free. Keyed ignition, and on our key we actually have our locks and unlocks, remote start, as well as our alarm system. Transfer case settings just to the right of the steering wheel and our integrated trailer brake controller. In the center we have our downhill assist and traction control with some storage and a speaker up top. Moving to our infotainment system itself, we can see that we have our Ford Connect system. If we go into entertainment, we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, USB, as well as our Bluetooth and our SD card. Home button in the bottom of our touchscreen, or we can also just quick move to our Connect. We have our navigation in the top right. And then we have our climate settings bottom right with our heated and cooled driver's seat, as well as heated and cooled passenger seat. Volume controls are 6 media favorites, seek, as well as media mode, and tune below, with a CD MP3 player and our eject. Also have our hazard lights, as well as our passenger airbag detection system. Below it, dual zone climate control that's also controlled through our screen. Front and rear defrost, fan controls at the bottom, AC and max AC, and then our settings in the center. Then we have some storage throughout. That's our wheel lock key. We have our shifter in the center with our 2 cup holders, leather finished center console. We actually do have a lock on the front if we need to lock it. Some 2-tiered storage, so we have storage up top, storage in the bottom, and our audio inputs, as well as all of the controls for our SD slot, USBs, and a 12-volt plug. Moving to the passenger seat, also our black leather, heated and cooled and powered for the passenger. Moving above the rearview mirror, we have dome lights on either side with our tilt slide and our power sliding third window controls. Then we have a sunglass holder in the front, universal garage door opener above our sunshade. Then we have our sunroof in the front of the vehicle. Now walking around the outside of the vehicle. On the hood we have our blue Ford badging with a black slotted grille, light bar in the bottom, LED headlamps with LED fog lamps. Moving down to the front tire and rim, we have our black RBP rim with our all-terrain tires. Moving out, we have our black cap mirrors with a power fold feature. Also have our paint match door handles with our keypad entry on the front door and our black assist steps. All the way around to the back, you can see we have our F-150 and Ford badging, trailer tow package, as well as our lighting in the back. Opening into the back of the vehicle. In the bed, cable tie downs in the front and the back. spray-on bedliner, as well as our soft rolling tonneau cover. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power window control, as well as some storage and our Sony speaker. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver and passenger seat. 2 cup holders in the back of the center console with our 2 vents, a 110 volt plug and a 12 volt plug in the back of the vehicle. Second row seats is a 60/40 fold-up bench finished in our black leather. If we lift up on the front of these seats, we can fold them up. Have our release up top behind. We also have some under-seat storage, as well as our all-season vinyl mats. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walkaround of the 2014 Ford F-150. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.